What? What? No. My hair's gone. My hair's gone because I was no longer allowed to have, that's not true. I was allowed to have long hair at work, but I wasn't allowed to wear hats or beanies anymore, and I can't, my hair wasn't long enough to not be shaped by a hat or a beanie. So I just said, I'm biting the bullet, cutting it off. And so I just got my hair cut, and I actually did it a little bit differently this time. Just did it kind of shorter, but kind of maintained some of that length on the top. I think I like it, but will Sarah like it? That's really the defining factor of a good or bad haircut at this point. But I'm gonna head back home and shave my face, and then Sarah and I are gonna go to the gym when she gets off of work. And I've been working on a ton of Flipsider videos. I'll talk about that more later. So let's head home. So, slight change of plans. I was on my way home, and the snow actually started getting really bad, and it's starting to stick up in the area that we live pretty badly, and there's some cars on the side of the road up here. So I've decided to flip around, and I'm gonna go pick Sarah up from work instead of having her drive home, because my Sarah is an amazing, amazing woman. Not a bad driver. Sarah, you're not a bad driver. But in this kind of weather, I think it would probably be just a better idea. And I think it would make her a lot more comfortable if I went and picked her up. So I'm turning around, and I'm going to go pick her up. Then we will go home, and we're still gonna go to the gym. I'm still gonna make you go to the gym, Sarah! But I am getting really hungry, so I'm gonna have to find something to eat too. But now we're going to Sarah's room in this snowstorm. Woo!
She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
Sarah? Yes? What's in the bag?
I'm not telling.
What's in the bag? It's a donut. Okay, so it is Wednesday. I think the last time I filmed was Sunday or Monday? I don't know, it was a couple days ago. Anyways, in the vlog here, after further analysis of my haircut, it's horrible. I've been wearing a hat because I was told today that I kind of look like Hitler.
Really?
Yeah. By one of my clients, I had my hat off, it was kind of falling like this. Yeah. And I was kind of showing them like how it messed up, and they're like, you kind of got a Hitler haircut.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible.
I know, it's not good. And I'm blonde, and I have blue eyes. Okay, so I fit the role, even though I don't think Hitler was blonde or had blue eyes. Did he?
I don't know.
Wait a minute, there's a conspiracy! Anyways, I want to show you guys something. So, I don't know if you guys knew this, but occasionally we'll do like a dinos react kind of thing. Like, it's this really small portion of our channel that does like dinosaur stuff. You know what I'm talking about, baby? Those really obscure videos that everybody hates desperately, but we do because we're so passionate about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, those.
Yeah.
I downloaded potentially 2 new trailers that Sarah and I are gonna dub or do reacts to this weekend.
This weekend? When?
I don't know. This weekend. This weekend, because you're so excited. Are you excited? Are you so excited? Show the camera your face that is your excitement face for how excited. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about it. It's just such a shame. I love the dinosaur videos after they're done. I hate making them. of all the videos and ideas that we've come up with, why is this one the ones that go viral? But what are you doing?
Nothing.
Sarah?
I was not good at
Sarah, I still have the camera on.
No, bury it. I hit my head in the process, so I got.
Oh, that's why I noticed you were down there, is because I heard a bonk on the bottom of the table. Anyway, we're gonna go for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all had a fantastic day. I'm re-uploading my old Minecraft series from 2014. That's before you were even born, I think.
That's not true. Oh my goodness.
So, look forward to that. I may be doing it like every Monday, Friday, or maybe just Mondays. I don't know. I guess you'll find out when they're uploaded. I'm gonna go. Also working on another project right now. Talk about that in another video. It'll probably be out before this video anyway. Okay, gotta see you later on the flip side. Goodbye.
No.
It's kind of funny.
No.
No?